Mouth Hacker. For those of you just joining us, we are here to hack the mouth, the teeth, the tongue, and the throat in order to get you pronouncing English words like a native speaker, using things that you already know. Let's go ahead and get started with our next lesson. Today we're going to be practicing the American English R sound, which is very different than the British R sound. So let's try it together. And remember, if you can do this, what I'm about to do, then you can absolutely pronounce the letter R in English.
Run.
Let's start by just doing the shape of your tongue in a whistle. So we're just going to whistle a little. All right, and now let's add a hum. All right, and if you can do that, you can absolutely pronounce the letter R. Ready? We're going to put everything together. Ready, ready, or right, right. And if you notice in those last three, I didn't even whistle. You can just make the shape. And as long as your tongue curves up that way to make the whistling shape, then you can pronounce the letter R. It occurs to me that there are several people out there that don't know how to whistle. And so I'm giving this bonus lesson on the letter R and another way that you can actually do it to make the R sound in English. And so if you can do this, then you can absolutely pronounce the letter R in English, American English, different than British English. Okay? All right, so for this you will need a cup of your favorite beverage and a straw. And so if you can do what I'm about to do, you can absolutely pronounce it. So basically, you just need to harness your inner child and blow out of your straw. Not suck out of it, but blow out of it to make bubbles, like this. Ready. Right. As in perfect. Good job, everybody. I know that one isn't easy, so keep on practicing. Happy practicing, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, hair.